Okay, Michael, I'm going to show you how to cut a clip in the timeline. So I'm going to go over here to this one uh, clip. It's called Mid-John, and I'm going to drag it into the new item icon, and I'm adding it to this new timeline here. It's called Mid-John. So if I were to play it, you'll see it running here. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. Let's say I wanted to cut the clip in half. All you have to do is go over to the razor tool over here. It looks like a blade. I'll click on that, and then I'll go over to the Mid-John clip in the timeline, and you'll see this little dotted line where I'm going to cut it. So I'm just going to click that, and I cut it right in half. Then I'm going to go back to the selection tool, and I'm going to select the second half of that clip, and I'm going to move it over. So it's really easy. So all I have to do is use this razor tool over here. Also, the C key gives you the razor tool also. Well, I hope that answers your question about that.